whoever's watching, my name is Jazzy or whatever you want to call me, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys probably wondering, what am I doing in my bathroom? And to that, my answer is I'm going to give my cat a bath. That's right, I'm going to give my cat a bath for everyone on YouTube to see. So basically, I got this idea because I thought it would be like really cute, wholesome content. And well, Mufasa's just right next to me, so I'll show you guys in a second. He's not exactly thrilled to be here, but hey Mufasa. Mufasa. Hi baby, you're gonna take a shower. Little bath? Yeah? So over here, I have a bunch of stuff for him. I have some of his favorite toys. He likes balls, so. No? Just a few bath toys. He's not in a playful mood. I have his shampoo right here. 4-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. It's very nice. I have his grooming stuff, and I have a towel. So if you guys don't know my cat Mufasa, oh, he actually played with the ball. That's fun. Okay, so if you guys don't know my cat Mufasa, I have a video where I introduced him and my other cat, which is not taking a shower today because he really smells bad. Smelly cat. Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Everybody! Smelly cat. Anyway, just a friend's reference. Anyway, getting off track here. If you guys are excited to see this video, if you guys think it's nice and whatever, drop a like and make sure you do subscribe and follow my Twitter and Instagrams to keep up to date on what I'm working on. Without further ado, let's just get started. I gotta get him in there, but he really hates it.
Bitch, this ain't no YouTube video, just go.
It is. It's okay. There's no water in it, it's fine. And there you go. It's kind of hot actually. Is it hot? Yeah. It's too hot. I'm gonna put cold water.
I don't want to do this.
What?
I said I don't want to do this.
Well, I'll do whatever you want after this. Good boy, you're doing such a good job. You're doing such a good job. It's the perfect temperature.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Yeah, I do. Just one more. Just one more. That's that. Okay, right here. And you're free. But he's too scared to get out. Come here, baby. You can get out now. He's like, are you sure it's over? Oh, you adorable. Come here, baby. See what's on the 5 minutes or so. Come on. Yeah, good boy. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Well, that's it for Fuss's shower or bath. If you guys enjoyed the video, please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Oh, that's what you want. You want scrubs. He's so adorable. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If it was wholesome, leave a comment down below about how cute Mufasa is. I really love him so much. And I will see you guys next time with another video. Stay jazzy. Goodbye. Hello. This is the thumbnail. Help. Oh my god.